Hi guys! It's autumn season already. It's time for me to plant the potted trees I bought last spring. I find it ideal to plant the trees this time of the year because the weather is calmer than in spring and summer. Hi guys! Today I'm going to transplant the dwarf ever-bearing mulberry in the ground. I'm going to throw in some mulch, compost, triple 13 fertilizer. The roots are looking like this, so I'm going to entangle them. Don't be afraid to do it. It's not going to hurt the plant. It was not difficult to separate the roots because I used mulch at the bottom of my pot. My new soil level is an inch above the roots that are showing. I'm pressing down the soil. Now I'm going to put back the native soil. This is triple 13 fertilizer. I also planted Montmorency cherry, plum, and fig trees.